It's Sidewalk Talk, and I'm here at the Riverfront Music Garden. I haven't had the official tour from our friend Eric done yet, and I'm looking for him, and I know him. He's got his, there he is. I knew it. I knew he'd have his camera out, and he would be doing something. Hi, Eric.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Doing great. It's time for my official tour. You promised that you would show us the Riverfront Music Garden. So are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Here's a fun fact. Eric has to stand back there because he's so tall
I do.
that I can't get us both in this frame otherwise. So Eric, we're going to take a walk to start with.
Let's do it.
Down this walk of fame, and then we'll talk about some of the interactive features here at the Riverfront Music Garden. I think everybody knows about the roots that Skinner has to our city.
Yeah, so this is the first of its kind here. We have a music walk of fame, which is our version of, Jacksonville Hollywood Walk of Fame. So it's really cool that Jacksonville took time to highlight some of the people that have had music influence that are from Jacksonville or have some ties to Jacksonville, Florida. And as you walk through this music garden, you'll see a bunch of familiar names, some that you might have to research, but there are some open spaces at the end for new names to come in as well. So I like how they looked forward to, future names that they want to put in this garden here.
Because we already know that legends are continually made. We don't stop at just what we know. Like 38 Special, people know about them. Maybe the Quad City DJs and the 69 Boys.
Yeah, and Lil Duval,
Lil Duval, and he continues to give back.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
This is great. So some of these little interactive exhibits here, I don't fully understand how they work.
Yeah.
But it's great that it's hands-on. This looks like it's some kind of homage to song lyrics, song titles. What do we have here?
Let's see. So these are all lyrics that you can put together from some of the songs of the artists that we just passed.
Okay.
And then on this side, you'll see the songs.
Allman Brothers. Oh, look at that,
so
Skinner.
If you're familiar with the songs, you can create the lyric right next to it over here. So it's a little fun interactive game that you can do and test your music knowledge with some of our local talent.
Okay,
here.
well, let's try Quad City DJs because I know we're going to be looking for a few. Come on and ride it.
You step on it to listen. You just jam out here.
Okay, I've got the drums right here.
Okay,
so the more people you have, the fuller your band.
Exactly. So the more people that come out here, the louder the band gets. So there's the interactive piano that you step on and it makes piano sounds, of course. And then there's a physical xylophone with about 5 different xylophone keys. That's Riverfront Music Garden. It's a very interactive park. It highlights Jacksonville music legends. And of course, it's connected to Riverfront Plaza right here on the North Bank, which is currently in phase 2 of construction.
So where do people park when they want to come here?
So parking in downtown is going to be street parking primarily, but there's also garages around here. So the closest garage to this park, Music Garden specifically, is the Water Street garage, which is usually $5. But street parking is free after 6 p.m. on weekdays and free all weekend. For now, we hope that stays. But if you can find a street parking spot in downtown Jacksonville, these parks are very accessible to get to by foot, by scooter. But there are garages all around these areas, and they're actually building another sidewalk across from Riverfront Plaza over there on Hogan Street.
Where should we follow you for more?
You can follow Jax Parks at Jax Parks COJ on Instagram and Jax Parks on Facebook.